India is upgrading Russian jets into something that could rival fifth-generation jets like the F-35 and China's J-20. Meet the Super Sukhoi, armed with the all-new Virupaksha AESA radar. This advanced radar can spot enemy jets over 400 kilometers away. That's nearly twice what it used to do. Impressive, don't you think? But spotting is just the beginning. With Dhriti DR-118, it can sense danger before it arrives, jamming radars, dodging missiles, and fighting back smarter. It's like having an extra layer of defense, wouldn't you say? The Super Sukhoi can command drones mid-air using MUM-T tech, turning it into a flying battlefield boss. Need firepower? It launches Astra missiles for air kills and BrahMos cruise missiles for ground strikes. One jet, multiple threats, neutralized. Even better, 78% of this beast is made in India. That's not just an upgrade, it's independence in the skies. From aging jet to next-gen hunter, the Super Sukhoi is ready for the wars of tomorrow. Bet you didn't expect that.